Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It was done using the script above me, which uses a combination of different letter stems, which are shown here in this figure here with the circles, like the big circles and the little chunks taken out of the bigger circle, and then modifiers, which are these lines and these dots. So, you start reading at the bottom or at a little start marker, which is the little eyeball looking thing right here, and it's looking the direction you read. So if we imagine this is a little eyeball looking this way, we read this way, bottom counterclockwise. And that means our first word is this one here. And at the bottom of that word, our first letter is this deep divot, so it's in the top row. And that deep divot has two lines ending on it. So this thick ring here, it starts here and it ends here, so it counts twice. So that makes it an H. This third line passing through it doesn't end on it, so it doesn't count for it. It's just passing through. Only lines that end on it count. So H. And then a little guy's a vowel. Vowels are tricky. They can either be on a letter or by themselves off to the side of a letter. And this is by itself, just on our word circle. And an A is external. It's outside the word circle. So there's the A. And then this circle here, this thin one, is our N, because it has one line and is a full circle inside the word circle. So that's Han. And then we have this shallow divot, like a bite taken out of a cookie, with 1, 2, 3 lines. Again, this line does the same thing as this H line here, counting where it both starts and ends. And then the center line here counts for the third line. 1, 2, 3 lines is the S. Continuing around, here's our O inside our word circle, and this is another full circle, just like the N, except it's thicker. That's just a stylistic choice. And this L has 1, 2, 3 dots, and then another O at the end. So there's solo. So Han Solo is this design. I hope you like it. Thanks.